Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your OPPO Enco X2 with your Android phone. So first of all, we have to open the case, click and hold this button to enter the pairing mode and wait until it starts blinking like that. So in the next step, we have to simply open the Bluetooth settings if you don't have this quick notification like in my case. So step by step, click to pair new device and select your OPPO Enco X2. Accept the pairing. And when you are successfully connected, you can also get this Hey Melody application. So we have to go right here, get it from the Play Store. Let's open it right now. Accept all the permissions that will pop on your screen. Click Add, click to the settings, accept all of these permissions that will pop on your screen. Click Add one more time and select your OPPO Enco X2 from this list. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.